What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Ethereum. Hope you all had a wonderful weekend, even though the weekend alone has been extremely volatile as a whole. So, very sorry about that. In terms of Ethereum, nothing really much has happened. Nothing really much has actually been happening with Ethereum at the moment. So I would say for now, if we look at the chart right now, we could see that at the end of the day, everything boils down to, okay, where is the market currently at? Why is the market crashing? Why is Ethereum crashing? Why is the market as a whole crashing? That is simply because the what is it called, the Middle East war that is going on. The clash between the Middle East and the US is definitely still on, and with the look of things, it seems like things are not going to be cooling off anytime, because looking at the breaking news right here, you could see that Bitcoin dropped more than $2,000 in under let's say an hour or two on Sunday, after President Donald Trump threatened to strike Iran's power infrastructure unless Tehran reopened the Strait of Hormuz within 48 hours. Now, this obviously is the regular Trump's threats. It's just Trump talking whatever he always talk, because obviously we're not saying Trump is just trying to escalate the whole matter. We definitely know Trump talks in a very funny way. He's still the world president, obviously, but Trump talks, and when he talks, a lot happens. So this is definitely not going to make things any good. This is definitely something that will definitely keep the market on its toes this week, which will lead to a lot of volatility, because uncertainty is definitely kicking into this new week, which uncertainty is already here to stay, because the volatility that we are probably going to be expecting this week is definitely going to be crazy. Now, looking at Ethereum at the on the other hand, we could see clearly right here that this being ETH, you could see clearly that Ethereum is actually down. It's down, and the area of support which I've been clamoring on have been this level right here. Sorry about that. It have been this level, and you could see we have retested it, and we are at this confirmation candle right here. If you watch my previous video, I actually made it known to us that the moment we break below this area of support right here at 2107, we are most likely going to be dumping much lower, and you could see that is definitely what is playing out right now. That is definitely what is playing out right now. So if I should take all of this away just for me to reanalyze this market right here, you could see it clearly that the Ethereum has been struggling to break out of this resistance right here at $2,150 level. Was it able to do that? No. It was not. It was obviously not able to break above that resistance. So right now, it seems like this is most likely going to be the case right here, whereby we end up dropping into this area of support at $2,000. So 2,000 is looking like a more psychological level where people would probably be buying Ethereum more. Now the real question right now is, okay, how what is the probability that Ethereum will hold this level, due to the fact that there is a whole lot of bearish news right now in the market, and this bearish news right here is definitely not going to make people want to buy. Yeah, this is obviously not when people would want to buy. So nothing really much going on with Ethereum, and with the look of things, it seems like Ethereum have no other it has no other option other than to follow Bitcoin, as it is already following Bitcoin. So with the look of things, if you look at Bitcoin, you can see clearly that Bitcoin is actually dropping. It has broken major support, or should I say this trend line that has been serving as its support. So if Bitcoin drops all the way down, or this 4 hours candle closes in the next 3 hours 10 minutes, if it closes, then we are most likely going to see Bitcoin dumping all the way down to probably 66,300 level. So if this is going to be possible for Bitcoin, or if that happens, then we are most likely going to see Ethereum crashing all the way down to $2,000, not within the next 24 hours, but probably the next 72 hours, if the tension in the market, the uncertainty in the market is definitely going to remain the way it is right now. So I would still stand on business that the market is still very bearish. There is no need for you to try to probably see hope in the market right now. Nope. I don't think there's any hopium right now that I should be giving to you, other than the fact that the market is very bearish. The market is very bearish. We might see a lot of spike here and there. It is volatility, and it is because the market is bearish. So I think this is just basically it for Ethereum. Looking at the other chart right here, we could see it clearly that Ethereum is still looking bearish. Probably it's trying to based on this chart, if I move to the daily time frame right here, Ethereum might be trying to find support around this level at $2,030. Maybe when we find support around there, we could take off from there. I really do not know, but based on this right here, I need to place this right here very well. Just to, you could see that Ethereum is actually at a level of support, low key right here. Ethereum is at a level of support. So it will be very funny seeing Ethereum breaking below this area of support and trying to retest and dumping all the way down to 1,831. So things can actually get worse than it is right now. That's just how funny things are. So I will definitely be here with more daily updates for you. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.